Hello guys, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. So today we're doing a review on bareMinerals. It's called the ETHEREAL Nudes.
It's killing me, he knows.
Now let's open it. And I'm already wearing clear lipstick, lip gloss. If you guys see my previous reviews, I like wearing a clear lip gloss because, you know, my lips are gonna be crusty. Ooh. Okay, so let's start with the first one. I'm gonna open it. And this one's called Tantalize. I don't know how you guys know yours going so far. Mine is going great. I'm just trying to, you know, live life. Turn up and turn down at the same time and get back to business. But I do have a lot of plans this year. Hopefully I achieve everything that I wanted and more. So let's get to the Tantalize color.
They don't seem as bright no more, no more. I know that she loved me at one time. What I promised her that night, cross my heart and hope to die. It's tearing me apart.
Oh, this lip gloss. They are lip gloss. And these how Tantalize look like.
I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know what you did last summer. Look me in the eyes, my lover. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been.
Now we're going to number 2. And this one is called Must Have. I must have you.
He knows dirty secrets that I keep. Does he know it's killing me? He knows, does he know? Another's hands have touched my skin. I won't tell him where I've been. He knows, it's tearing me apart. I'm slipping away.
Am I just hanging on to all the words?
This one's called, you see how they're different sizes? Look, this one called Hype. Ooh, hype it up. Okay, so it's called Hype. But isn't it so pretty?
I know what you did last summer. Look me.
This one smells like chocolate.
I know. I didn't mean it, no.
Can't seem to let you go, can't seem to hold you close. I know when she looks me in the eyes, they don't seem as bright no more, no more. I know that she loved me at one time. What I promised her.
Okay, now we're doing lipstick number 4. Well, lip gloss number 4. And these how it look like.
She's on her phone. She's not coming home. Oh, yeah. I know what you did last summer. Just lie to me, there's no other. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know what you did.
It's so thick. Yeah. It's like thick. This one I will use a lip liner for it. And this one is called Bestie. That's my best friend. Go Bestie.
Hold you close.
Hold me close.
Can't seem to let you go. Can't seem to hold you close.
Tell me
Tell me where you've been lately. 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 Can't seem to let you go.
Now we're in the 5th one. And this one is called Boss, and it says matte.
Where you been?
I know what you did last summer. Look me in the eyes, my lover. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been.
I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
You guys already know, I feel like it's a little bit light, and I need to tune the color down a bit, so I'm gonna use my brush.
I know.
And this is how I look at your lip and lip liner. So this one is called Swag, cause you know, cause a bitch like me always got swag, stay having swag. Everything she do it with a swag. Huh? How about that? This is how swag look like.
She's slipping away. Am I just hanging on to all the words she used to say? The pictures on her phone. She's not coming home.
Coming home, coming.
So this is how I look without a lip liner, and I'm gonna add that lip liner and try to save the swag. So far, I love all the lipstick, but this was a little bit, you know, the swag was a little iffy, but you know, the rest I love the lip gloss.
I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
I didn't mean it, no, I didn't mean it, no.
And this is how swag look like. So for all, I love all the lipstick except for maybe like swag. But I feel like I work out a little bit with the lip liner. But I love the lip glosses. The lip gloss, I feel like some of them were thick. I like were perfect, so the color was showing. Like, you know, I liked it. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thank you. And last year, I feel like at the end of last year was like a success for me, and you guys did so much. Y'all subscribed to my channel. That just helped me build like the little empire I was trying to build, and I feel like I'm still building. And thanks to you guys. Yeah, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Like I hope everybody have a wonderful and blessing year.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm